When it comes to surveying instruments and accessories, one of the best places to find them is in Noida Sector 62. This area is known for housing a wide range of dealers that specialize in providing top-quality survey equipment and accessories. Whether you are a professional surveyor or someone who needs these instruments for personal use, you can find everything you need in Noida Sector 62. The survey instrument accessory dealers in Noida Sector 62 offer a wide range of products to cater to the diverse needs of their customers. From basic surveying tools like measuring tapes and levels to advanced instruments like total stations and andDGPSreceivers, you can find it all here. These dealers stock products from reputed brands and ensure that their customers get access to the latest and most technologically advanced equipment. One of the most popular survey instrument accessory dealers in Noida Sector 62 is Scon Design. This dealer is known for its wide range of products and excellent customer service. They have a team of knowledgeable professionals who can assist you in finding the right instrument for your specific needs. Whether you are looking for a simple accessory or a complex instrument, Scon Design has got you covered. Scon Design offers a variety of surveying instruments and accessories to meet the needs of different industries. They have products suitable for construction, engineering, land surveying, and many other applications. Their inventory includes everything from tripods and prism poles to reflectors and DGPS antennas. Whatever your requirement may be, Scon Design is sure to have a solution for you. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Noida Sector 62 is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They ensure that all their products are of the highest quality and provide accurate results. When it comes to surveying tools and accessories, Noida Sector 62 is one of the greatest areas to look. This region is well known for holding a diverse selection of dealers specializing in high-quality survey equipment and accessories. Whether you are a professional surveyor or simply require these devices for personal use, Noida Sector 62 has everything you need. Survey instrument accessories vendors in Noida Sector 62 provide a comprehensive choice of products to meet the needs of their consumers. You can get anything from basic surveying tools like measuring tapes and levels to complex gear like total stations and andDGPSreceivers here. These dealers carry products from well-known brands and make certain that their customers have access to the most recent and technologically advanced equipment. Scon Design is one of the most well-known survey instrument accessory vendors in Noida Sector 62. This dealer is well known for its extensive product line and great customer service. They offer a staff of skilled professionals who can help you discover the best instrument for your needs. Scon Design has you covered whether you're searching for a basic accessory or a sophisticated instrument. Scon Design provides a wide range of surveying equipment and accessories to fulfill the needs of various sectors.